Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Friday Night Funkin' on your PC or laptop in 2026. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome or any web browser on your computer. Now click on the search bar and type itch.io, then press enter. Once the website opens, go to the search bar at the top of the page and type Friday Night Funkin', then press enter. You will now see the official Friday Night Funkin' game in the search results. Click on it to open the game's download page. After clicking the download button, a pop-up will appear with two options. The first option allows you to support the developers by choosing any amount you want to pay before downloading the game. If you don't want to pay, don't worry. Simply click on the link that says "No thanks, just take me to the downloads." Once you click that link, you will be taken to the downloads page. Here you will see different download options for different operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Now simply click on the version that matches your computer's operating system. And that's it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, then subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates.